All right, so we're chopping these little board off, and we're going to sand them afterwards. So let's see. Just like that. We need nice and clean. Let's see. We should have one of these. Excuse me. One side's a little longer than the other. That's not perfect. I thought we measured that.
Those are all kind of different.
Dang it. So we measured it, but somehow we didn't do a good job with it. That must be my partner's.
What?
My partner's work. I don't know. I better chop them nicely.
That's pretty awful. That wasn't even a nice cut.
I need to chop them nicely, otherwise, they may not come out perfecto. I need to measure this and just trim it nicely, like so. Oh, what if this is the only one? You think we'll get the other one right?
Probably the first one we did. The others might be different.
Alright. How about we leave it jagged?
If you want lazy work,
I
yeah.
think they need to be perfect though. But we screwed this one up, so what about those?
Might also get screwed up.
Let's cut a couple more first, just see. Alright. Let's try the second one. And I think I need to maybe start right about there. Okay, let's see what happens. Hey, perfect. How come the other one's kind of not perfect? What happened there? Andrew?
Huh?
Huh?
That was you measuring.
What happened, man? We got one of them short. Is it because of the stick? It's alright. One just have to be a little weird, that's all.
Nah.
Looks like the others should be okay. One is perfect so far. Alright. More to come. We're gonna finish cutting all the boards. Okay, so right now we got the woods cut. So I'm going to start sanding them down a little bit. I have a sandpaper that is pretty rough, and so I'm going to smooth this out a little bit before we continue to work on it, okay? first time I use a saw. So that turned out really good. So actually it's pretty speedy and it's able to get things smooth out really quick. So do come closer here a little bit.
Dude,
and you can kind of see the wood is pretty rough and nasty. So basically, yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Actually, does a good job.
I think so too.
Look at that. Haven't used it before.
I can't breathe.
So you didn't want to show them?
Oh, yeah, good idea. So yeah, so you can see it does actually a pretty good job with it. So this is a pretty rough one, and then I'm gonna smooth it just one more time really quickly with a little bit softer one, but I think it'll turn out really good. All right, good job. Okay, so more to come. I got some more to do, so I'm gonna send them down really quickly, and then we'll catch up a little bit later. All right, we're good. Okay, so right now we chopped all the woods, and we've sanded over with the rough sander, and so now I'm going to go over with the softer sander, and also soften the edges a little bit, and that way, you know, we don't get pinched on or pricked on or anything like that. Okay, so we're almost done with it, and you can see, come a little closer, Lee, and you can see that the wood are really nice now. They're kind of smooth and nice now. Yeah, so that's what we want to get to get all these pieces to be pretty smooth and so that doesn't break anybody. All right, so I'm gonna continue down and just work on a little bit more. So I want to continue down to finish up a couple more, and then we should be good. All right, more to come next. Okay, so now we got all of these pieces cut, and I have it all drilled. So they should be ready to be put back onto the benches. And we have them all sanded and nice right now. Took a little while to do, and so just finished drilling it. So we should be in good shape soon here. All right, and then here's the empty benches, and we got 3 of them. So look for what I put them on, and yeah, get the woods on there. So almost there, pretty close to it. So once we put these woods on there and tighten them up with the bolts and stuff, we should have new benches. All right, got some work done on a rainy day, so stay tuned for a little bit more of my bench work. My boys and I are helping each other today, so getting really close to finishing. Took a little while to do, and so just finished drilling it. So we should be in good shape soon here. And we got 3 of them. So look for what I put them on. Okay, let's see what happens.